If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
So I went into developer console and you wanted me to actually create two variables. Sorry, you told me. Sorry, you told me to actually create two classes, 5 variables, and 5 methods.
Yes. Have it done?
Oh, I go here, open. You know what? Like it wasn't letting me to serve. So I'm here. Like customer is one of them. I created it.
When you click on save, control save or file save?
Yeah, I did, but the thing is, you know that like the thing over here, like after doing all of them, this thing actually pops up, right? The variable, is it a variable? No, object. Like,
Yes.
that variable, sorry, that object, whatever pops up, like it had some sort of error, and then later on, it didn't actually let me save. Like that box.
You should solve the error. See, error. It might have told you some error, right? Please. According to that, you have to solve it. Okay. Show me the other class.
So I close this and then edit, open this one. Oh, here you go. It actually, at least this one has more details because the other one, yeah. So I got here that why this is actually coming up.
Which one?
No, there was a dot over here before, and
so
then
you can close it. You can minimize it. Click on that.
Yeah.
Drop down. Click on that 5 dot. It will minimize.
Okay.
You can expand or minimize. That's only to expand or minimize. That's it.
Okay. So if I want to proceed with this, I'll go. Where can I find that debug thing?
Debug. Can you see file, edit, debug?
Sorry, here.
Open and execute anonymous window.
Then again, I need to do it.
Create an object. How do you create an object?
Yeah, I'm just going to actually create an object. In this case, is a patient, and then what are they going to do?
Your class name is patients. Same name you have to give.
Sorry, class name is patients, and I'm going to say A as my what's a class variable, isn't it? A equals to new, maybe.
Give space, Tashika.
Yeah. Over here, space.
After A is equal to space.
Oh, equals to space.
Right on.
Space. Do I have to? I don't think so.
I mean, for all words, for one word, give some space.
So everything. So A space.
Yes.
That space. But I don't think we gave it other. Okay, that's fine. So we just go
new.
Yeah, then space. We have patients. Then patients, and then I do space bracket or bracket.
No space.
Okay, so okay, then that semicolon, and then I'm gonna do is going to be a dot. They were just doing the what's this thing called? They are give me a sec, debug. Where is it? So they are debug. Oh, I didn't give the debug.
No. You call that method. I'll tell you.
Okay, sorry.
Right? Call the methods. What's the method name?
ED. Method's name is ed. Yeah. So ed, and then I just do then I just do a dot wch. Then we just go yeah. And then I'll go take all of them that execute. Sorry, execute. Then I just do debug only. Oopsie. Debug only. Yay, it worked. Why it didn't? I think so. So now I just go back to. So you know what happened? This one here, I tried to do multiple because remember you told me like 5 variables. I tried to do multiple and then it just the whole thing actually screwed up. So if I want to do multiple, should I just quickly do it or what?
Yeah, okay. Quickly do it. I want to see what's here.
Okay. So I'm going to say public integer. I can actually say the customer age, and then that. Then I will say private the string name. The string is going to be string, sorry. I can say address of the customer, and then I can say maybe public boolean, and then I can actually say so the boolean is live reside near yep. So then it's just like true or false, and then I'm gonna say then the other one is a void thing. So that is my method, public void walking, maybe customers walking. Then I just do that. Then I go my flower bracket. Then I do this. Then I need to do debug. So is the system dot debug. I'm going to say walking. Join us to walk. Then again, I'm going to actually create 5 methods. Yeah, sorry, 5 methods.
Yes.
So again, I just do, oh, that has to be here. Ouch. Yeah. And then again, I just do public. It has to be here, isn't it? Public. Can't I say private void?
Tashika, wait, I'm not able to see your screen. I don't know.
Oh, you can't. Okay. Cool. Give me a couple
Just a
seconds.
second. Yes, now I'm able to see.
You can?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna like instead of private public void, should I say private void?
For private, again, you cannot call this method, you'll get error.
Okay, so I just gave public then. Public void talking. Then they will be just like this, and then this. Then I just go here, system debug. Then we just do talk, come talk to us. Then I will be doing that is done. Then I
You
just
have
do
to
like,
end with semicolon, Tashika. Come to talk to us after bracket semicolon.
here.
Yes, and line number 6 also.
Oh, maybe that's where I was making the
When
mistake.
you click on problems, there's a in bottom. At bottom, can you see log, test, checkpoints like the problems tab is there. Problems last at the bottom. Logs, test, checkpoints, query editor.
So I can check it at
Wait, I'll show you. Wait.
is here, yeah.
Click on that. See, unexpected token, integer spelling is wrong, something. Line number 2, integer spelling is wrong. You can solve here, right? We'll throw the error, right? You can solve it.
Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, cool, that's fine. So
Save.
So integer in integer. So where's the 2 again? Customer.
You save it, it will go. Control S.
Okay.
Public spelling is wrong. It's not public you wrote. It's...
Oh. Oh my God. You are just tapping up all the time. Okay. So what is this? Okay, it has gone. Okay. So then I just do public void dancing maybe. System debug. Then I just do that again. Public void dancing.
There should be no dot. Rishika. Public void dot. Remove the dot.
Oh, sorry.
Now these methods are enough. Execute them. Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is done. The problem is missing at in 19. Okay.
Say properly. See the star mark is there and sit didn't say properly. So now it's got saved properly. Now execute.
Okay, it's done, right?
Yes. No problems, right? So it's
Yeah.
done.
Yeah. So
How do
now
you
I
execute?
got debug. Too many of them now. Okay. So what's the purpose of doing the whole thing? Like, what's the end process later on? Like, are we going to just like, these are the script writing, right?
These are the syntax that you have to follow to create an object. For every class, object is a must.
Customers. Okay, customers. 1. A dot. Okay. And I just do that. Oh no. Yeah, I have to do the bracket as well. Okay, bracket. And then I just do the talking. That's fine. Good. Dot. Yep. And then I'm going to do is highlight them all and execute. Yeah. It worked because I think I was making some mistake. That's why. Debug only. Yeah, when I actually did the object over here, it was kept on selling like, that line item. And I was like, I have no idea how to get there to fix it. So I was struggling. Cool. Now I got it. Awesome. Thank you for your help.
Yeah, so now understood, right? This one.
Yeah.
So till now we discussed about void. I told for methods we have return type. Return type.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let me share my screen. I'll explain.
Awesome. Thank you. Oh my God. Yeah. Hopefully he will just reply back to me later, but it's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
See here, go for public file, new Apex class. You mention as what are your class names? Tell me.
Customers or maybe students. Just put students first.
Okay, students. So okay, I'm writing normal class.
Or maybe you just can put patients. Because I'm sure like someone must have actually used students already.
Just give me a second. I'm thinking. Okay, we'll just do a simple class.
Yeah.
It's better you only do it. Okay, again if I explain. I'll tell you, you do it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I mean, if you're stuck, I can help you.
Yeah, sure.
Because again, if I do again, you will be doing
I will,
multiple times. We'll see
will
if
be,
you're not able to understand. Again, I can catch up. I can explain then. Okay.
yeah, that's fine because I mean, like, I'm happy to do it because otherwise I'll be falling asleep. Other day
do
you were
it,
just
I'll
like,
tell you.
you're other day you were just talking and then I just kind of I didn't even gain whatever you were saying. I was kind of in my la la land. Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. So we just
So
go file,
basically,
new Apex
now
class.
create any class. You can write any
Or
math
then
class. No, you write on math class with parameters.
math.
Class capital C.
Yeah.
No, don't give any space for Apex class. Space won't accept it. Math class with capital W for every word, capital letter with parameters.
So how the parameters work?
The name is big. That's the reason I wrote math class. I mean, the name is big, right? So math class with capital W I T H. After that,
Capital W I T H.
No, small letters. Only first word, first word. Parameters, capital P. Parameters, PA, capital P. Small parameters.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, done. Click on OK. Now, define two variables. Let's say integer x, integer y.
What is it called?
Variables. Define two variables and saying integer x, integer y.
Okay. So now I need
Define
to write
two
it down.
variables. How do you define variables? Yes. Spelling. Check the spelling.
Yeah.
Let's say x.
Mm-hmm.
X. Give value, okay? Small x or capital, whatever it is. And assign the value here only, okay? Give x equal to 10. Give the values here, okay?
Yeah.
Similarly,
yeah. See.
Define another define another integer, make it as y. Integer y equal to 20. Some take different value. Don't go for strings, I'll tell you. Mathematic calculation we're going to do. Remove private, just remove private. Remove public. Yeah. See, actually, in method till now we have used only system.debug, right? That listen first. So till now, what are the methods you have written? You have used only system.debug, right? What system.debug will do? It will just print the output. Nothing it will do. Okay.
Okay.
And actually, in methods, you're going to write the logic.
Okay.
In methods, you're supposed to write the logic. Okay. Let's say We'll take mathematics, arithmetic operations. So methods, let's say in one method, I want to do addition. In one method, I want to do subtraction. I mean, some logic. The logic here is addition. In another method, the logic is subtraction. In another method, the logic is multiplication. In another logic, the logic is division. So basically, you're going to write the logic inside a method. We generally use methods to write logic. Later, system.debug is just to print the output, nothing more than that. But actually, you're going to write the logic. So what you're going to do in order to addition, subtraction, multiplication, you need at least two variables. To add x plus y, 10 plus 20 like that. So, yeah, take integer y equal to 20.
Yeah.
Or make integer x as 20, integer y as 10.
Yeah.
Semicolon.
Oh, sorry.
Now create a method. Take void only, public void add method. Give the method name as add, okay?
Yeah.
Void.
Oh,
Public
sorry.
void.
It's a normal method, okay. Yeah. So is void. I thought a void or something like that.
Space add name method name add. Use small letters, okay, for methods. But I mean that is a general add. You can use add method. ADDMETH. Oh, it's fine. Enter.
So you don't want me to, okay.
It's fine. Enter. Now you have to write the logic. What this method, when you call this method, it should do addition, okay? How do you do addition? X plus 5.
Okay.
Write down x plus 5.
So what am I going to do here?
So, listen, if you do addition x plus y, what is the output you're going to get?
20 plus 10, 30.
That is again an integer. So you have to store it in one variable. Write down integer z equal to integer. Write down integer. No public. No, don't write public. Inside method you're writing, so don't note of public. Directly write down integer. Z space z. What do you say? Z or Z?
Z, yeah.
Z.
Oh, sorry.
XYZ.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you say? Z only? You call it as Z or C?
Oh, no. So I thought C. You are talking about C, but it's Z. So it's Z.
Z.
Yeah. No, you're right. Like, Z. Yeah, we say Z. Yeah.
We call it as Z. Some people call it as Z. So.
Okay.
So now write down x plus y equal to x plus y. Space. Semicolon. After x plus y, semicolon.
Yeah.
Now look here. We are not writing integer x plus integer y. Why? Because already we defined x is an integer. Already we defined y is an integer. If we add whatever the value, we are going to store it in z. That's the reason z is again an integer. We are storing in z.
Okay.
No need of public because we are writing inside a method. Your method is public. So obviously your variables will also be public. Okay.
Yeah.
Now print the output and enter next line. Enter. Let system.debug.
So system. Yep.
Quotes. No. Single quotes. The addition of two numbers are.
Oh, sorry. So I just got that. Yeah.
The addition of two numbers is right. And the addition of x and y is space. After quote, come outside. Wait 1 second. I'll tell you. Wait. Stop. Give me control. Wait.
Give me a sec.
See here. Space. Use plus Z. Z. What we are doing is, what are the string you have written, exactly it will print, okay? Plus Z means what? Plus Z is a variable. If you want to add text string to a variable, you have to use plus sign, okay?
Okay.
Now done. Similarly, create another method, sub method.
Okay.
Write in public void sub method. Check for spelling mistakes also, okay?
Public void.
Subtraction or deduction, anything. Yeah. Go ahead, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Can you write the logic? It's stored in any variable, a equal to x minus y. Write down the logic, subtraction of x and y is plus a, okay? Can you do for multiplication division also same logic? Yes, can you do that?
Sorry, what am I supposed to?
Semicolon, after semicolon.
Yeah.
Perfect. Create two more methods, multiplication and division, okay?
Can
you do that?
Ah.
Perfect, good, very good. So can do that for two more methods. Multiplication, division.
How do you call it?
Yeah, do that, yeah, division. Don't give space, Tashika. For method, you're not supposed to give any space. Deduction space, you give parenthesis. Don't give space. For method, for brackets, don't give space. Wait. Don't give space, yeah.
Over here, you don't want me to give the space.
No, you should not give space. See how you wrote add method, same like that. Remove space.
Okay. And then all of them.
That's the reason it is showing error, right? Incorrect signature.
Yeah. Okay.
Now write down the logic. Debug spelling is wrong, line number 14. Do it and can you execute all the methods?
Yeah.
Execute and show me the output.
Yeah. So what is the problem? 21 has that. So I'll just remove it or what? No, I don't need to. I just need to remove this. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, it's done. Okay, go. So then I go debug, execute, open execute anonymous window. Then I need to have this as a parameter, this as a class. Yeah. A new class. A plus, then I just do add. Yep, and then no, there's an error. How can I do that? Hi.
Yeah, line number 3.
How did you find out?
It is showing that. Again, click on execute.
Huh? Execute.
You have to read the error, Tashika. Read the error. Read.
Line 3, yeah. A method does not exist or correct signature. Void bracket from the mathematic. Okay.
Can you tell me what's the error? Read properly. Where is line number 3?
This one here.
What they're saying? Issue. Can you see the spelling? For line number 8 in your class, deduction C is missing. Spelling mistake.
But it wasn't actually telling exactly what is wrong though. Does not exist incorrect.
Even multiplication spelling is wrong.
Multiple.
Better you copy the method name from there.
No, I actually said multiply.
No. Method name you should copy. Line number 12, multiplication is there. Copy that.
Oh God, okay.
Spelling mistakes you check. Read the error, no issue. See, the more errors you get, the more you learn. No one will write perfect code. Okay, it's like through mistakes only you'll be learning. Even if you get mistakes also, no worry, but you should know how to solve it. That's it.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm over it now. Okay, go for it.
Understood? Did it calculate properly or not? Tell me.
Huh? Or
Check
has
the
it been
calculation.
calculated? X and Y is how can I do it? I mean, I'd open this. No. How do you know this has been done right? To addition, I know that. Subtract.
Open the class. I mean the other tab. Yeah. Yes, open that. Oh, wait. Wait. Check
How
to
do
and
you?
fro. X is 20, Y is 10, Tashika. So obviously 10 plus 20, 30. 10 minus 20, 10. 10 into 20 to 100. 10
Yes,
20 divided by 10, 2.
okay, cool.
We
Awesome.
took simple numbers only, no? So we can
Yeah, but like, how did you get that log? Like, so, you know, like this log actually popped up after we closed it, debugged it.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Because there are debug statements inside your method, right? See. addition of x and y is plus z. What is z? Z will store x plus y. 20 plus 10.
No, I did get that, but what I'm saying is this particular screen over here, like this tab.
Because you have C. Every time you'll get C. Close it, I'll tell you. Close it. Now again go to debug anonymous window, execute. Once you execute, it will open the tab. Wait, first highlight it. Click on execute highlighted or anything.
And then double report.
So this is the window. Click on debug only.
Debug is a method. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Understood?
Come.
So this is how you'll be doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now one more question. Every time you execute same output you're going to get, right?
Yeah.
Because you have given values as 10 and 20. Let's say I want to add, I mean my wish, different people will think of a calculator. Think of a calculator. If I give you a calculator, you will do your own addition. You can write 10 plus 20 or 30 plus 40.
Yeah.
I will enter different input. I will write 1 plus 2 only. I may write 1000 plus 2000. My wish. It depends on the user. If I give calculator to someone else, they'll enter different input.
Yeah.
Basically, I want my method to do addition. Whatsoever is the input. Based on the user input, I want to calculate. Suppose if I give 50 plus 50, I want output as 100.
Yeah.
If I give 1000 plus 50, 1050.
1050.
Yeah, based on the user input, I want the output.
Oh.
Okay, so in that case, we'll be going for method with parameters. Now, hope so you understood how to do logic.
Yeah.
But this, what are the logic I've written is fixed. Let's say I create an object for this class, same output I'll get. Some other execute, same output they'll get. But based on the user input, I wanted to perform the logic in a different way. Based on my input, if I give 10 plus 30, I can give 40 plus 20. It should give 60, like that, okay? So if you want that based on the user input, you'll go for with parameters. Okay, one second. Okay, go to your class. This one. You can close this now. Now what you have to do is remove that x equal to 20, y equal to 10. Remove. I mean, we don't no longer need them.
So x is equals to, yeah. Yeah.
I mean, remove complete line number 2, complete line number 3. Remove that space. So save it.
What do you mean? Okay. So that's an error here. Unnecessary token. Okay.
Listen, wait. I know. Wait. So inside the method, we are going to write parameters. This is called parameterized method. So wait. You can write here integer. X comma integer y. Okay. This is another method with parameters. We call them as parameters.
Yeah.
We call them as parameters. This is another method with parameters. Similarly, can you add for line number 10 and line number 14?
Yeah.
So please do that.
But you are right. Every day I need to study with this one. Otherwise, I won't have any clue. I'll be peeling my head if I don't know this tomorrow. Okay.
Line number 14.
Yep.
Save it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now create an object. I'll tell you, create an object.
I had to do debug.
Yes.
And then here, and then object is going to be that one, a new that is done.
Call the method. Add method. Call the method. Call the method. How do you call the method?
A plus a dot. Add. Yeah. And then we just do.
Wait. Now stop here. Stop here.
Yeah.
Basically, till now we have done only normal methods, but these are methods with parameters, right? There you have passed parameters. Here you have to pass the values.
Okay.
So integer x means just pass a value of some 20. Write down 20, comma, another value. Whatever value you want, you can give. Pass different value. Next. Similarly, call other methods and pass different values. A dot deduction.
Oh, okay, so this is when the people give their
This is how people will give different output. Wait.
number.
1 second, Tashika, 1 second. Stop.
Yeah.
1 second. So line number 2. If you write double lines, it's like comments. Comments are just for the user to understand.
Okay.
I mean, system will not execute that. System will not execute comments. Comments is just for us to understand. Okay. No worries, system will execute. Now tell me, 20 add method, it will do addition. 20 plus 30, how much?
50.
So 50 is the output. Okay. I'm telling this is what you have to see in the output. Next, line number 3. I'm writing comments. Comments is only for us. System will not at all execute. 100 minus 5 because in we are doing the logic as minus 5. 100 minus 5, how much?
95.
You have to see the output 95 for this. Okay. Similarly, for multiplication and division, call the method and write the output. What output you'll be expecting. Write down.
Yep. Then do that. Execute. Line 4, column 17, unexpected total. So line 4, yep, column 14, unexpected call. What did you do?
Correct, Tashika, very good. Semicolon, that's it. You try to solve errors, okay? That is how you're going.
Actually, you put a space here. I had to put a space here.
I know it. See, those are comments. Those are ignored by compiler. Those are just for our purpose.
Cool.
I will not consider it at all. If you want comment, only for us to understand, system will not consider it.
So debug. Sorry, debug only.
Click on debug. You did not click on debug. Check for your output whether it is matching or not. See, wait. Open the wait. Give me 1 second. Check your output now. 50, 95, 120. Correct?
Yeah.
Is it working?
Yeah, it is actually. Yeah.
Now what you do is change the parameter. Instead of 20, 30, write some different values. For everything, change the values and print. What is your expected output, right?
Yeah. Okay, got it. And then again, I do the same thing.
Right, correct.
Yep. So now you're just going to get this thing here. Good. Okay, that's fine. And then we just have to do is I have a log. How did you get there? So you go here. How did you get the log before? Sorry, how did you get there?
Debug open anonymous. Open anonymous. Open
Yeah.
anonymous.
This one. Okay. This one.
Compare now.
30, 45, 240, 12. Yep. Bingo.
Now different users will enter different inputs, so you're going to get different output. Now again change the value and check for the last time.
Okay, so again they change the value. 20 plus 20. No, did we do that before? Yes, we did. 70. 100. Deduction. 70 divided by 5. How much is it gonna be? 10, 14. Multiplication. 60 times 5. 6. 360. And the division is going to be 11. Yep. Hold on a sec. What do we have? Yeah, I was actually taking that out.
70 minus 565, you wrote 14.
I actually did the division for that. Yeah. Cool.
Do you understand now?
Yeah.
When we go for parameters, if you want, if you based on the user input, if you want different outputs, you'll go for methods with parameters.
Okay.
If you want fixed output, we don't go for parameters.
So then I just go here, open. If I open that, this one, and I can see the parameter. I need to actually get the photo of this because tomorrow, if you ask me anything, I wouldn't have any clue because these guys don't put the video straight away.
So clear?
Yeah.
So only 5 minutes is there. Shall I continue with new topic or you want me to continue tomorrow?
No, I think we just knock it off. I mean, yeah, we'll do tomorrow because I mean,
Tomorrow?
it's too much. Yeah, it's just like, I mean, I'm already tired for the day. I went to gym, like now straight after work, I quickly went to gym and then got here, had shower, and then I was just waiting for you to come.
Okay.
So I'm so tired. I just want to go to bed straight away.
Okay. But
So
make sure that you practice after the class also. Please practice at least for half an hour.
Yeah, sure. Cool. Awesome.
Minimum half an hour after the class, you have to practice.
Yeah, I normally do in the morning because I study in the morning.
Whatever time you feel comfortable, but make sure you practice, because now we'll go a little speed. I mean, now you understood what are classes and all that. So I want to increase the speed.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, sure.
So if you practice only, it will be good. Otherwise, you won't understand.
Yeah, cool.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you.
So we'll pace up the speed. I mean, instead of doing one class, we'll do 2-3 classes. 10 classes all that. Okay.
Awesome. Cool.
Okay, chalo, we'll catch up tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.